welcome. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, the top brokerage here in the gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today I'm in Playa Flamingo and I'm in Mar Vista. I'm at the top of the hill. I'm at this home with incredible ocean views. It's called Casa Sunset. I can't wait to show you. Enjoy this beautiful tour with me today. Casa Sunset is 3,200 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. 3 bedrooms are in the main house and 1 bedroom is in a separate apartment. This home has been completely remodeled with top-of-the-line luxury. You've got travertine floors, all imported furniture from Casa Nova, which is so beautiful. You've got solid wood cabinets. This house is so beautiful. This home comes fully furnished and fully equipped with everything you need. I love this white countertop, the solid wood cabinets, and here you've got your dining room table and you overlook the ocean. The master suite is on the 2nd floor all by itself. Up here you find beautiful furniture with this incredible view, and I can't wait to show you this amazing ensuite bathroom. You've got showers for 2 and this amazing bathtub that overlooks the ocean. I could imagine myself staying here every night. Just behind the kitchen, you have a laundry room with a brand new washer and dryer, a half bath, great storage, the garage, and I can't wait to show you this awesome guest room. This is super unique. You have a custom bunk beds with 4 individual beds, a great space for TV watching or dining. You've got access to the pool. This would be an amazing spot if you have kids or if you have your relatives visiting. This is the ground floor bedroom. I call it pretty special. From here, you see incredible views of the ocean and the mountains. I can see a gorgeous rock wall, your plants, and also the pool. This is a spacious bedroom that would be great for yourself or for guests. This lot is 5,163 square meters. That's over 1.25 acre big. There's room to build a guest house if you like as well. And for me, I just love these views. Casa Sunset has this amazing pool. It's L-shaped, it's infinity, and it's got Buddha watching over you just to give it a peaceful Zen feel. From here, I can see the mountains, the white sands of Conchal. I can also see La Paz School. So if you're a family, this is a great spot to raise your family. There's a school right there. The house also comes with this 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It's great. It's got a little kitchenette, a dining room table. There's room to put stuff outside as well. You could rent this out, or this could be for your friends and family to visit. Coming out of the apartment, you have this huge area Imagine what you could do with it. Mar Vista is a 750-acre paradise with luxury homes. They also have amazing amenities. Behind me, you can see we have 2 tennis courts. There's 8 pickleball courts, and there's a team playing right now. There's hiking and biking trails. In the rainy season, you get a waterfall. There's a wonderful restaurant called Gracia, and there's also a gym and a yoga studio. There's wonderful breezes here up at Casa Sunset. A great place just to soak up these incredible views here in Costa Rica. If you would like this luxurious home to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you about it. And be sure, subscribe to our channel below so you can see more wonderful properties like this. Have a great day. Pura vida.